PAH.
This is,
You search FA.
there's so many.
From here you search.
So many. FL means so many.
Wow. Go, yeah, like go.
Yeah, that's the 0209. Not 09. I think it must have been added as a
Recommendation.
recommendation or some comments in the PNID. Can you just do you have the is this the complete report, Chairman?
This is last PHA sheet. Last PHA
Yeah.
sheet.
Does it contain the PNID in here? The HAZOP markup notes.
Hedge of markup node. I think I should have it.
No, okay. Can you just see? We just need to see that particular line, whether there is an L there. Because if there's an L, it must have. We should have been. It should have been also covered.
This is a trend 9 workshop. Hedge of
HAZOP.
workshop report.
HAZOP
Maybe
workshop,
workshop.
report. Yeah.
See, note 2 and note 3 we can see. Note 2.
Note 2.
Note 2.
We can see. Right. Next page. No. Previous page.
This
Yeah,
one?
here. Yes.
This is node 1.
Already there. Yeah, already there. Right? That L is already there. Actually. You see. Yeah.
So this should have been considered, to be honest. This should have been considered as a safeguard for no flow scenario.
Yeah. No flow scenario, but just see whether this yellow is part of separator node or first node or
Node
to slack capture. Okay. Right.
This
It
is
should have been there in the no flow. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not there. If it is not there, so we have put the no. We have put the no here. But anyway, this is valid because this is abnormal condition. So we are saying yes.
No, anyway, it's valid. Yeah.
Yeah, it's valid. So potential closure of any downstream maneuver of FCB. What is FCB tag number? FCB?
FCB 020902.
020903. 03, no?